Hey there everyone, welcome to an all new video on Learn Overflow. In this video, I'll be telling you how to add comments to your video. First thing is, what are comments? Comments are basically a set of instructions that you give to other programmers or other person who are viewing your code or who are debugging your code. It's for an instruction, not to the Python interpreter. It's an instruction to the person who is reading your code. For example, you can write something for that person to know what a particular print statement is doing here. Or maybe you can give some note for the person for future edits in that code. So comments are basically of two types. One is a single line comment. For single line comment, we use hash, and whatever you type after hash is a single line comment. Like on that particular line, Python interpreter will ignore all this and move on to the next line. So let's, without this hash, I'm showing you what this program does. It basically prints hello world and another line which says this is a this Shagnik from Learn Overflow. This is all this program prints. So what if I write a comment here? See, hash, and then suppose I write welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. And then again run the code. See, it doesn't matter. It simply ignored this statement and continued to the next line. The next type of comment that we use in a Python code is multiple line comments. This kind of comment can be used for 2-3 lines at the same time, since if in case you want to add few lines or a whole text document to your program so that other can read them. For that purpose, we write it via multiple line comment. How we do that? We use three single quotes, and that's a multiple line comment. Within these three single quotes, we can write anything. Say, how are you? Then I change the line, say something random. I don't know what I'm writing, but it's something random. Again, you change the line. You write all this. So again, if I run the code, say again Python interpreter then look to all this you wrote within this 3 semicolons. This is how a multiple line comment works. So this is all for this video. Hope to see you soon in my next video. If you like this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more similar videos. Thank you. Till then, this is Shagnik from Learn Overflow signing off.